Escape to paradise at Extended Stays Coxala. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of Lake Chapala, enjoying the tranquility and having access to world-class wellness right at your doorstep. This is more than just a vacation rental, it's a lifestyle. Located at the entrance to the renowned Monte Coxala Spa in the prestigious racket club community of San Juan Coxala, Jalisco, Extended Stays Coxala offers 7 fully furnished condominiums, each a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Each 2-story condominium features 2 spacious bedrooms, each with its own private ensuite bathroom. Enjoy panoramic views of Lake Chapala from your living and dining areas. The fully equipped kitchen comes complete with appliances, cookware, and utensils, everything you need to feel right at home. Other convenient features include an automatic covered garage for 1 vehicle, a dedicated laundry area, and a private storage room. And the best part? Utilities are included. Electricity, high-speed internet, and water are all taken care of, allowing you to relax and enjoy your stay. Whether you're planning a short getaway, a remote working retreat, or a longer stay to immerse yourself in the healing waters of Monte Coxala and the serene beauty of Lake Chapala, Extended Stays Coxala offers the ideal combination of privacy, security, and natural beauty. Live where wellness meets comfort. Reserve your stay today at Extended Stays Coxala.